Hello and welcome back once again to my channel. Today is all about growing okras directly on the field and not starting from a nursery. So stay tuned as I show you the benefit of direct sowing of your okras. So these are the seeds of okra. Okay. Some people prefer starting their okras from a nursery, and I don't know the benefit of that. Okras are very strong plants and they can stand harsh and hard conditions. So I don't know the benefit of starting it from a nursery. Nurseries are for plants like the cabbages and sometimes the cucumbers. Even some people also prefer sowing cucumbers directly. Okay, so they are for plants that cannot stand harsh conditions in their initial stage. But for okras, they can do very well. And I'm going to show you a trick that can help you to sow your seeds directly. So instead of sowing a seed per hole like in the nursery on the field, you actually sow 3, 2 or 4 seeds per hole. Once it starts germinating, those that do not do well, you remove it. And you will start harvesting your fruit earlier, much earlier than the one that started from a nursery. So okras usually takes 40 days to start producing fruit from the day of sowing. So if you sow it today, a month and 10 days time, you can start harvesting your okras. Even if you harvest an okra today, 3 days time, you come and it has started developing an okras you can harvest in the next day. So sometimes 3 days you can reharvest again on the same plant, and sometimes 4 days. So if you ask me the crop I'll grow to harvest in a very short time, I would say okra, because they are very easy to grow. Okay, it doesn't have any disease and other issues. The only problem that kills your okras is once it has started producing fruit, you would have to harvest once the fruits are fully matured. If you don't harvest and you allow them to dry on the plant, game over. It is going to die together with the plant. So you have your okras. Okay, these ones are not mature yet, so I cannot show you. Yes. So if you have your okras, once it started forming or once it develops, you carry it from the parent plants, and you can either sell or you can use it for the reason why you grew your okras, like you eat and what have you. Yes. So without going any further, I'll show you what I was talking about. But if you have any questions, you leave them in the comment section and I'll answer it in my best of knowledge, and thank you. So in sowing your okra seeds, you just dig a hole to about 2 centimeters, then you place in the seeds 2, 3 or 4. Yeah. So these are some of my okras germinating 5 days after sowing. I sowed these seeds 5 days ago and they have started germinating. So see. This one I placed 3 per hole and they are 4 germinated. See, it's 3, 4, 3, 4. 3, 4, 3, 4. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed watching the video, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel to enjoy more videos on gardening and farming. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.